guys, welcome to another video. Yay. Today we have a little wee bit of Americium from a smoke detector. You can see it right there, it's in the middle, it's the gold kind of color. Try to zoom it in. Yeah, you can see right kind of there. In the middle, and it has 95 protons in its nucleus, and it has an atomic mass of 241. It is generally made by hitting atoms of plutonium with extra neutrons. And then those neutrons will split and become protons, and it'll become a new atom. And I have a Geiger counter here, and you can see that this is radioactive. Oh, well, you can't hear, but look at the number go up. Each time this flashes, a particle is coming off of the Americium. See, it's up to 70 microsieverts now. So not even that little radiation. It's quite radioactive. And it mainly decays by alpha decay, which this Geiger counter can't detect. Yeah, so you wouldn't want to eat this. Yeah, but that is it for today's video. Please like the video if you want to, I guess. And see more content like this, I suppose. Bye.